Waswafo ya wano en wɔhwɛ mmɔsua ho nsɛm so wɔsɛ ya waduchum ɛne national service scheme wɔmoafu a wɔmo ayɛ no wabɔ aporo ɛwɔ hɔ wasante mantemo sɛkyerɛ kumawuni nyina no ɛka ho bi ma mpanimfo hwɛ kwane ɔbɛfa so ne aduane bebu so ɛwɔ mayi mu.
Minister for Education, for Dr. Yao Osei Educhum, and Pennyfo Akopiemo, I was such a Afram Prince. No Copiemo Honoma, no share a year and she pa, a Fakria Yahua, National Service Scheme, a Jumakuno, a year, Matunidi, such a Kumewu Economic Enclave Project. Our more Edebaba Bois, a buying share and Kanka School Feeding Program, and a fee, and Shaya Hodua, Ghana, a buying a year, said a bayer, a month for the Duana Bitimania Adriane. Nano, Anna, or Swafway, Ecopiemo. Within the Nico share and Ochas Osha Sanchi share National Service Scheme in the Ayana, a yadia, a bois a buying, and she share why ye Edia fa Adriane and Samu ever on my Ghana, or Chess a bit me up boy ye pa.
National Service Jumapa, Omonam Yura or Sess Bench so a yeno. A yadia omode ye a ye and Shasopa amo main. A Benjamin Odi, a friend planting for food and jobs, our Greek minister dear anymore. Yen so a woman share ye near Bresi FM de Ebeye near the Ata Maechi Amen Puntu Etimia Bakua yim Neduane Ehoanya den Ewa ha amaye near ye be crown so as a coton Ewa manfo froso. A full Kasee amon no sebida, a merchamuno and kakra. Nemu asama Dennis are going to support the school feeding program. You see, the school feeding program, you can reduce costs when you get products from the farm. Literally, you are buying at wholesale prices. The items bought here will be cheaper than what you buy from the market, reducing your cost of preparing the meals. Also make the project more sustainable because you can feed the children with less money and they will get more for less. And same thing applies to the free senior high school program. And I make cancer, Sabri. Some more saying so I didn't who the bit me idea boana say. Or more ye for a hano, na yes school papa ewaha, our mama ebenye biako. There's an ebako school papa dear, a beer or a bear man, the year so babets na no more ye juma, ede show mama. Fis when you say, the juma now any in ni mada chanso ehia. Ni empese ni pano ha, nana drain, ewo kumase, fis a hona irretie. Nemum or ha school papa waha. Night as I have say no assets no I kama.
And no echi executive director or that national service scheme no ayon for or says be entry.
National Service is an agency under the Ministry of Education, and by extension, National Service is a governmental institution. And therefore, if government is supporting us to grow maize, rice and soya beans, then the end result is also going to support government projects and government program. And the government program that is going to support is the school feeding as well as the senior high school. That is not just to say these are the only two areas we are envisaging, because as at now, we even have an MOU signed with the Poultry Farmers Association that we will also be supporting them. So we will be producing for Ghana as a whole.
And watching youth even some trade for any national service for one more a year a juma a honor so HH and Como.
You better national service for us to say, yeah, I agree for my opportunity. Say, see, Baba feels I say, there's a practical experience.
A bar America, you mamma to my boom. And why it's my area, Edria, neighbor, I try a beware warehouse. It's me when say a good initiative, something new. I will say all sectors support. No queen.